So, hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 20th till the 26th of July 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the King of Swords. Somebody is pissed off and angry. Somebody is like in a little bit of revengeful kind of energy, like, what the hell, Aquarius? I'm going to show them who I am. Okay, there is ego is talking. Their heart is not right now that much open. What's happening? Let's clarify the King of Swords as their feelings for you for the situation, Aquarius. We have the Nine of Cups, the Ten of Cups, and the Two of Swords. This person feels super connected to you. They see you as their happiness. They see you as their ultimate happiness. You really make them happy. But something related to the outcome of the situation or long-term outcome of the situation, something related to marriage or commitment or happily ever after kind of a thing is up in the air. That is making this person feel pissed off and angry because they're not able to like figure out what's going on or what's going to happen next in the situation. So even if they are the one who is commitment phobic and not able to take it forward, they're pissed off, they're angry because things are up in the air, things are not clear, things are not sorted between you guys the way it should be. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? We have the Ace of Pentacles. From your side, you feel like either moving towards a totally new person, new energy, and or starting something fresh from scratch, if this is the same person that you are feeling like getting connected to. Let's clarify the Ace of Pentacles as your feelings for this particular person or situation, Aquarius. We have the Three of Pentacles, the Nine of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles. Yes, you feel like having a fresh start where two people are equally invested and interested in each other, but you are very stressed out when it comes to this future direction of a particular situation. Maybe one of you is married to somebody else. That is a huge blockage in the situation. One, okay, for some of you. For others of you, this is like you guys feeling like starting from the start, having equal interest and investment from both the sides. But when it comes to this long-term partnership, this marriage or commitment kind of energy, you're feeling stressed out. You're like, I don't know. I don't know if it is possible. I don't know if it is ever going to happen. I don't know if it is something that we can get out of this situation. So there are lots of ifs and buts and this and that from both the sides actually. So you are being very practical here. Somebody is operating from their emotions. You are being very practical here. Okay. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Aquarius? We have the Eight of Pentacles. They want to put in the effort and energy in the right direction. They want to take this situation step by step and do something about this situation. They want to put in the efforts here, right? And genuinely they want to put in the efforts, but step by step. Okay, let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles as their intentions. We have the Four of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, the Five of Wands. They want to hold on to this idea that the conflict or chaos that you guys are going through, it will be sorted by them not doing anything about it. Okay, so they want to put in the effort and in this effort and energy in this connection when the conflict and the chaos is going to be settled, when the dust is going to be settled. So they want to give some time to this situation. When things are going to be okay, then they are going to open up and then they are going to start working on this connection. When they are going to feel like there's no conflict, there's no chaos, everything is clear, everything is sorted, now let me put in the effort and energy in this direction and let me make something happen. But they are not ready to uh, participate in the chaos or the conflict or have this sorted energy with you right now. They just don't want to put in the effort and energy until unless the chaos is going to be over, the conflict is going to be over, whatever conflict you guys are going through right now. And they want to hold on to this energy of, okay, I am going to put in the effort and energy, but when things are going to be settled, when things are going to be okay, then only I'm going to open up and do something about it. So they want to hold on to this energy of wanting to do something about the situation when the dust is going to be settled. Till that time, they just want to wait and watch and hope for the universe to do some kind of miracles, so that things are going to be sorted without them doing anything about it. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? We have the Nine of Wands. You just want to, okay, fight for yourself, fight for what you think is right for you. You are, okay, you're telling me that you are hurt and wounded, maybe because of some previous experience, or if this is related to this situation also. You don't want to give up on the situation completely, but you don't want to participate in the situation fully, if it is making sense. Let's clarify the Nine of Wands as your intentions here. Because you are so hurt and wounded by the whole situation, maybe not with the same person, but because of this area of your life, you just don't want to get hurt again. You just don't want to feel like a victim again. Let's clarify the Nine of Wands as your intentions. We have the High Priestess, the Four of Swords, the Hermit. You just want to keep yourself in your lane and do your own thing and heal yourself and detach yourself from everything or everyone that is hurting you or have hurt you in any way. You don't want to give up on this situation without giving it a tough last fight, but right now you just want to be with yourself. You just want to heal yourself. You just want to sit with yourself, think about each and everything in your life with the experience, with wisdom, with knowledge, with silence, and then only you want to proceed further in this direction, whether it's with this person or maybe with some other person. Okay, so basically you want to clean the mess from inside for whatever have happened till this point of your life, in this department of your life. Then only you want to move further when you are going to feel it's okay to go ahead and it's okay to move forward, again maybe with the same person or with someone totally different. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys, Aquarius, till the 26th of July 2026. We have the Ten of Wands. You dropping a very heavy and burdensome kind of energy from your system and feeling lighter, like as if the responsibility, the heaviness, the burdensome energies are being uplifted and now you are free. Okay, let's clarify the Ten of Wands as your as a potential outcome for you guys till the 26th of July. We have the Seven of Cups and the Two of Pentacles, the Six of Cups. Yes, it's like you are living in some kind of conflict or chaos or confusion. You are living in some kind of confusion in this on and off, in and out kind of energy regarding a past situation. Maybe you still feel like having reconciliation with somebody from your past and a new person, new energies around you. And or maybe you, somebody from your past came back in your life, and the person, the energy that you are attached to in the current situation, there also things are not going well, and there's a lot of confusion and chaos going on right now, and it's making you feel very heavy and burdensome. That's why you might be taking a break from everything or everyone, because it's too heavy, it's too burdensome, and you're going to be like, okay, let me drop this, let me drop all of this altogether, and I'll come back to it later on, not right now. This past person, past energy, this is something very very important for you, something or someone, and you are not able to let it go because you don't want to. Point to be noted. This is important, whether you want to keep it in your life or not, but this is important, and that is making you feel like you being not feeling free to make the choice or decision here, because there is something regarding a past person or past situation that is still very very important to you. Okay, let's see the guidance here for you guys for this week, Aquarius. We have the Seven of Pentacles, the Star card, and the Four of Wands. Waiting and watching and hoping for the healing to happen without you doing anything about it, and then waiting for some kind of commitment or marriage or long-term partnership kind of a deal to be sealed or to be properly done without you guys doing anything about it. It's not happening. First of all, it takes two to tango. If you are more than ready, if you are ready to put in the effort and energy, if you are ready to heal a situation, but the other person is not, then also things are not going to move forward. And the vice versa is also applicable. But if you're going to continuously like waiting and watching and hoping for some kind of miracle to happen, and then you are waiting somebody to come towards you with some kind of marriage or commitment offer, this might or might never happen, Aquarius. If you are going to be continuously waiting and watching and hoping for something or someone to show up at your door, and you are not moving forward, you are not doing your own thing, you are not living your life to the fullest, you are not healing yourself properly, to the idea of them, if they will show up good, if they are not going to show up, then also I'm fine. I don't think so. You are ever going to get the kind of result that you're hoping for by just waiting and by just living in this toxic positive hopes that someday it might happen, and putting your life on hold because it might or might never happen. So, Aquarius, the moral of the story, the moral of the guidance is, if you're waiting for someone or something to show up at your door at some point of time and putting your life on hold because of that, stop that stupidity right away. Do your life, like, do your own thing, be happy with your life. Okay, keep on healing yourself, be very very okay and happy with the idea. If somebody is going to be in your life with you, very good. If they are not going to be in their life with you, you are good to go. You are more than happy to do that with yourself. You are your own lover. That is the kind of attitude that is going to make you attract the right kind of person. Maybe not the specific person that you want, but someone that's actually meant for you or good for you. But that also demands self love, a lot of it. Self care, self healing, and self respect, and not putting your life on hold for anything or anyone. Huh? So, let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Aquarius. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. What else? If you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is not the right time. Let's see. Sometimes a path or choice might be the right one for you, but the timing is currently off. Instead of giving up on your dream, realize that maybe it needs to be put on hold, or you need to keep working at it a little longer until the stars are aligned. That's the message for you if it is making sense. So, yeah. Thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. We'll see you soon. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.